Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If you want to get into the work from home field, but you have absolutely no experience whatsoever, this might be the perfect opportunity for you to gain some experience and then have that to put on your resume. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, a lot of companies are going to be ramping up their customer service going into this holiday season, and 1-800-Flowers seems to be doing just that. Now, it does not say that this is a seasonal position. It does look like it's a permanent position, but 1-800-Flowers is hiring some customer service. This is work from home with no experience. Now, they do have two different Glassdoor pages. They have this 1-800-Flowers page, and they have 17 reviews on this page with a 3.7 out of 5 stars. They also seem to have a 1-800-Flowers.com incorporated page that is specifically geared towards their website, and that has 412 reviews with a 3.1 out of 5 star rating. And again, they're hiring a customer service associate. This is going to be remote work from home. Now, 1-800-Flowers is a leading provider of gifts designed to help customers express, connect, and celebrate. You can order from anywhere in the United States and have them delivered. So like if I have family that is out of state for me, I can order flowers through 1-800-Flowers and have them delivered to them out of state. They are a nationwide organization for the United States, but they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for managing major business accounts and providing order management and customer care to those corporate sales teams. So you're going to be working with their corporate accounts. The main duties are going to include customer service, order management, preparation for electronic and manual order entry, account maintenance, and sales support to those corporate teams. Now, best part about this, the requirements they have listed are you need to be proficient in Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel. Now, a little bit about the job and what you need is you're going to have a great communication skills in order to communicate with the customers effectively. You're going to have to be able to accommodate changing work schedules, including weekends and holidays. So you're going to have to be flexible with the hours that you can work. You'll have to be able to be confidential in the information that you handle, be self-motivated, and they do want you to know things about order entry or customer service. Now, this doesn't say you need to have experience in them. It says you need to have knowledge in the area. If you know how to treat someone well and provide great customer service to them, it doesn't matter that you've actually done any customer service. You just need to have those strong customer service skills. Experience is not needed. You're going to be handling customer service requests, including emails. You'll email hold reports and hold workers console, and you'll work in the customer contact tool and be a team player. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay or the salary in the job description. I don't work for any of these companies, so that'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But just looking through Glassdoor at all of the salaries submitted, a work-at-home telephone customer service representative makes $35,000 to $49,000 with this one. And then there's another customer service work from home that said $31,000 to $41,000. So I'm going to guesstimate anywhere from $30,000 to $45,000 a year is going to be the full-time pay range. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.